how to find React version at runtime using code. So here we have the React versions. We need to write some code to show the current versions of this React project. So here inside the app component, we need to write some code. So we're going to store the React version inside a variable. I'm going to store this into a variable called React version. Okay. And the code here, we need to use the React here. So react.version. And now we are able to use this variable React version, right? So I'm going to show the version right here and simply save it. So now let's take a look, and here we can now see the React version. It's 18.2.0. And if you want to find out the React version without using this, you can simply go to package.json, and here this is the React, right? And this is the versions that is installed, so 18.2.0. But the purpose of this video is find out the versions of the React at runtime. So this is how you do it. Simply react.versions, and we want to show these versions onto the screen. And we can now see the React version, which is 18.2.0.